Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dina Luciana and allow me to present the result of my research entitled The Role of Gamification Features, Flash Sales, and Free Shipping in Improving Consumption Patterns Student at Pasundan University. Next, I will explain first what will be discussed. Chapter 1, Background, Problem Formulation, Research Objective, and Benefit of Research. Chapter 2, Theoretical Basis, Previous Research, Framework to Outlook, Framework Conceptual, and Hypothesis Study. And last, Chapter 3, Type of Research, Research Design, Data Collection Technique, Model and Operation, Data Analysis, Methods, and Testing Methods. Okay, Chapter 1, Background. The moment fast development in digital technology and internet are a very encouraging growth e-commerce in Indonesia is supported by increasing internet usage. With thus use e-commerce such as Shopee, Tokopedia, and Lazada have lost use by many people for a fulfill need everyday life. And problem formulation 1. Whether feature gamification, flash sale, and free feed send in a way simulation intent influential to pattern consumption student at Pasundan University. 2. How level behavior pattern consumption influenced by features gamification, flash sales, and free fees sent student at Pasundan University. And 3. Whether there is different behavior pattern consumption student based on frequency use future gamification in the marketplace. And the last, 4, whether there is different pattern consumption student based on level interest regarding flash sale promos and free shipping. And research objective, 1. For now, influence feature gamification to pattern consumption Pasundan University student. 2. For now, influence flash sale to pattern consumption Pasundan University student. And last, 3. For now, free shipping affects send to behavior pattern consumption Pasundan University student. Benefit research. Benefit research. 1. Theoretical benefit. Study this expected can give contribution with objective for developed knowledge, especially knowledge economy. In addition, it can become reference for study next related with gamification, flash sale, and free shipping to pattern consumption society, especially group students. And two practical benefits. For students, study this expected can help students for open awareness related influence of market strategy or more wise intake decision in shopping on e-commerce. And for the preparatory e-commerce, this study can become material consideration for company e-commerce in develop effective and efficient marketing strategy. And last, for university study, this can become reference and material study more carry on about pattern consumption and marketing strategies and development e-commerce in Indonesia. Theoretical basis. The aim it's study this method technology accepted model and UTAUT or theory of acceptance and use of technology. Next theory, consumer behavior theory, one of Keynes' legendary theories, often referred today in his consumption theory. And last, hedonic shopping motivation theory. Hedonism is influenced by several factors, one of which is hedonic motive. In chapter 2, previous research. In research precisely, there is development e-commerce in Indonesia is driving preparator industry for creating innovative strategies in interact and retain consumers. One of the strategies the many use of gamification, namely implementation element game like voucher, coins, and badge in application e-commerce. Okay, we can see of the table, uh, we have variables independent, x1, gamification, x2 flash sale, x3 shipping, and variable independence of or y is pola konsumsi. And hypothesis, hypothetical partial, uh, H1 gamification features influential positive and significant to increase pattern consumption student at Pasundan University. H2 Fresel influence positive and significant to increase pattern consumption student at Pasundan University. H3 free shipping send influential positive and significant to increase pattern consumption student at Pasundan University. And hypothesis simultan, H4 gamification features for sales and free shipping, sending in a way simultaneous influence positive and significant to increase pattern consumption student at Pasundan University. And hypothesis comparative, H5, there are differences in student consumption patterns based on the frequency and use of gamification features in the marketplace. Page 6. There is different patterns consumption student based on level interest regarding flash sales promos and free shipping send. Next, chapter 3. Uh, This study used a quantitative approach with associative approach. Associative research aims to determine the influence or relationship between two or more variables. And the research design employed in the study was a survey design. The survey method was used to obtain data directly from response by distributing questionnaires and regarding the variables being studied. Research design data. In research that will be done, the technique data collection that will be used is a following a research file or file work research that is to the direct to the location that become object research consisting of from questions, observation, and interviews. And B, research literature or library research. And last, model and operation variable. Variable model study variable X uh, is gamification, flash sale, and free shipping. and variable Y in consumption patterns atau pola konsumsi. Okay, this is operational variable. Number one, variable consumption patterns or pola konsumsi. Definition operational. Excessive consumption patterns play a role as consequence exist behavior gamification, flash sale, and free shipping. Indicators or measures purchase frequency, intensity of expenditure, and dependence on promotion. Unit liquor sale. Two, variables gamification. Definition gamification play a role in increase interest in fun and enjoyment users so that can push students to purchase impulsively. The fan give birth pattern high consumption. Indicators, reward, game challenge, user interaction, and in-app entertainment. Unit uh, Likert scale. Three variables flash sale. Flash sale definition is create a sense of urgency and hence loss opportunity. Students do purchase spontaneous without planning. Indicators, amount of disconfirmation, deadline, limited stock, and encouragement by test. Unit Likert scale. And last, no number four, variable free shipping. Definition: free shipping promotion provide the perception of savings and additional benefits that can increase student desire to make purchase. And indicators: cost saving, promotional attraction, ease of taxation, perception of benefit, and this desire to buy more. Unit Likert scale. Chapter 3, data analysis methods. Validity test don't for now to what extent questionnaire about obsolete valid no measure variables and respondent who respond in accordance with criteria sample in study quantitative and reliability testing in measure to show the consistency of a measuring instrument is measuring the same symptoms of on another occasion. Sample linear regression to analyze uh, how far the variable influence consumption patterns can use a simple linear regression model. Correlation coefficient. The relation coefficient show how strong the relationship between gamification, flash sale, and free shipping with consumption patterns. The R value range from 0 to 1 and closer to 1. The stronger the relationship, closer value to closer to 0, the weaker the relationship. Coefficient of determination. The coefficient of determination aims to determine how much independent variable is able to explain the dependent variable. Testing methods, partial test or T. The t-test is used for the influence independent variable on variable dependent. Simultaneous test of or F-test. The F-test is used to determine whether variable X has effect on variable Y or variable Y. Thank you.